This year marks a special anniversary for British Railways. It is 200 years since the opening of the Stockton and Darlington Railway. This event in 1825 marked the beginning of the railway age. People were amazed by this new technology. The steam engine could move heavy loads at high speeds. This was revolutionary for transportation. The impact was felt across the country. The railways quickly expanded. New lines were built all over Britain. One of the most important figures in this expansion was Isambard Kingdom Brunel. He was a brilliant engineer. He designed the Great Western Railway. This railway connected London to Bristol. It was a remarkable feat of engineering. Brunel's vision extended beyond just the tracks. He believed in wider gauges for greater speed and stability. His ideas shaped the future of railway travel. The development of the railways had a profound impact on British society. It revolutionized travel. People could now travel long distances quickly and cheaply. This had a significant impact on trade and industry. Goods could be transported much faster and more efficiently. The railways also had a major impact on social life. People could now live in the suburbs and commute to work in the cities. The early years of the railways were not without their challenges. There were many accidents. These accidents often resulted in serious injuries and fatalities. However, the railways continued to grow. They became an integral part of British life. The railways played a crucial role in the Industrial Revolution. They helped to make Britain the most powerful nation on earth. The mid-19th century was a period of intense railway development. The network expanded rapidly. However, this rapid growth came at a cost. Safety standards were often overlooked. This led to a number of serious accidents. One such accident occurred in 1861 at Kentish Town. A train collided with stationary carriages. 16 people lost their lives. Later that year, another accident occurred at Clayton Tunnel. This time, a train fire resulted in 23 fatalities. These tragic events highlighted the need for improved safety measures. The government responded by introducing new regulations. These regulations covered areas such as signalling and braking systems. These improvements helped to make rail travel safer. However, accidents continued to occur. The railways remained a dangerous place to work. Despite the risks, the railways continued to capture the public imagination. They were a symbol of progress and modernity. The railways also played a vital role in connecting people and places. They facilitated trade, tourism, and communication. The growth of the railways also led to the development of new technologies. Engineers were constantly striving to improve efficiency and speed. This led to the development of more powerful locomotives. It also led to the construction of stronger bridges and tunnels. The Victorian era was a golden age for railway architecture. Stations were no longer just functional buildings. They became grand and ornate structures. One of the finest examples of this is St Pancras Station in London. Completed in 1868, it was designed by George Gilbert Scott. The station's soaring roof and intricate brickwork are breathtaking. It is considered a masterpiece of Victorian architecture. St Pancras is not just a beautiful building. It is also a testament to the engineering prowess of the Victorian era. The station's vast train shed was a marvel of its time. Today, St Pancras continues to be a busy transport hub. It serves as a reminder of the enduring legacy of the railways. Beyond the grand stations, the railways also gave rise to more unusual lines. One such line was the Necropolis Railway. Opened in 1854, it ran from London to Brookwood Cemetery in Surrey. Its purpose was to transport mourners and coffins for burial. The Necropolis Railway was a unique and somewhat macabre aspect of Victorian railway history. Another notable development was the growth of the London Underground. The first underground line opened in 1863. It used steam locomotives. These locomotives created smoke and fumes. This made travel uncomfortable. However, the Underground offered a solution to the city's traffic congestion. It quickly became a vital part of London's transport system. The 20th century saw significant changes in the British railway system. After World War I, there was a move towards nationalisation. This led to the creation of British Railways in 1948. British Railways was a single entity. It controlled all aspects of the railway system. This included infrastructure, rolling stock, and operations. The aim was to create a more efficient and integrated network. Despite these efforts, The railways faced challenges in the post-war era. Competition from road transport increased. This led to a decline in passenger numbers. In response, Dr. Richard Beeching was commissioned to write a report. His report, published in 1963, recommended closing many unprofitable lines. The Beeching Cuts, as they became known, were controversial. They resulted in the closure of thousands of miles of track. Many rural communities lost their rail connections. Despite these setbacks, the railways have continued to evolve. There has been significant investment in new technologies. This includes high-speed lines, such as HS1, which connects London to the Channel Tunnel. The opening of the Channel Tunnel in 1994 revolutionized travel between Britain and mainland Europe. Eurostar services now connect London to Paris, Brussels, and other major cities. Today, the British railway system faces a number of challenges. These include aging infrastructure, overcrowding, and rising fares. However, there are also reasons for optimism. New projects such as Crossrail are underway. These projects aim to improve capacity and connectivity. The railways continue to play a vital role in British society. They connect people and places. They support the economy. They are a testament to the vision and ingenuity of generations past.